Hi and a warm welcome to the Music Theory for Beginners. I'm Mattias and I'm your guide throughout this online course. This course will teach you the fundamentals of music theory, as well as chord progressions, scales, harmony, counterpoint and much more. Throughout this course, we work with sheet music as well as the good old piano roll. No matter if your intention in the course is to become a better musician or a professional composer, or maybe you're just preparing yourself for deeper music studies at the university, then this course is a great starting point for you. The course will first launch in early access, and in practice that means that you will start with the first couple of episodes, and then we will add and publish additional episodes on a weekly basis until the course is finished. Of course, the early access price is at a huge discount, and you also get to follow along and give feedback to me as a producer of the course, so that I can tailor and mold the course for you. I understand that everyone begins at a different level of musical ability. Some might have extensive knowledge in the field, while some might be all new to music theory. So in conclusion, if you feel that some of these episodes are too simple or too basic, you can just skip to the next one. Okay, so finally, I hope you have a really nice time here at Morningdew Media Education, and don't be afraid to reach out to me through the chat or send me an email if you have any questions on the course. Okay, so let's jump to the next episode and get started with the fundamentals of music. See you in the next one. Bye.